Okay, so I closed my Anaconda shell, so I reopened it, and now I'll show you again how to activate an environment. So it's activate, and then it was called Manim 696. Again, you don't have to do the 696. I did that because I have a thing called Manim already, an environment called Manim. So I'm going to activate, but it doesn't do spell check. So there we go. And now this tells me that's the environment that I'm in. Okay, so now there's a couple of things that we have to do in this environment. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to install a package manager called pip. So the pip is a package manager that's used to install things. So it's not installed now, so you can't use it to install things, but you can use it to install. You can use something called conda to install it. And so where is it here? Well, anyway, it's conda. Okay, well, okay. Conda install pip. So we're going to run this. Proceed, yes. Hopefully I'm not agreeing to do anything that's going to destroy my computer. So another way that you might want to think about environments. I have like 6 of my, I guess you can't see this over here. Okay, so over here I've got like 4 different Chrome tabs up. And it's because I'm doing different things in each Chrome tab. And it's just kind of helpful to keep them separate. But there's actually more practical reasons even than that, to have different Python environments. Okay. All right, so now I have pip installed. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to install, so Python might already be installed. I don't know. I'm going to use, okay, sorry about that. I'm going to install Python. Oops. Sorry about that. I'm going to, so you probably have Python installed. Just type in Python, and if you have Python, it'll come up something like this. This tells you the version number. So I'm going to exit that. But if you don't, you can do wingit Python. Oh, whoops. Okay. So it tells me I already have. So this is, oh, typed in the wrong thing. Wingit install Python. Okay, so what it's going to do now is going to install Python. Okay, so we're doing that now. I'm honestly not really sure what's going on right now. Like Python should already be there. Like it should have access to it. Like I've done this and not installed Python. So these are things that I don't always completely understand about how the dependencies work and things like that, but I'm going to pause the video for now. Okay, so anyways, you probably have that. Just to be honest with you, I've never, when creating a new environment, I've never installed Python. Okay, now the next thing that we need to do is we need to install something called FFmpeg. This is something that is used in the video rendering, so I'm going to do that. And then begin, okay, it's already installed. So I already had it there, so it's probably going to take a little bit longer for yours. Okay, now we're at the point where we can install Manim. So pip install Manim. And again, I have this downloaded, so it might not take as long for you or for me as it will for you. But okay, so now we have this going. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so now we have Manim installed, and then again, we haven't installed Jupyter, so pip install. We're going to install Jupyter. This shouldn't take long, so I'll just keep the video going. Actually, the other thing didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take. Okay, so while that's going, let me. So this, I think I gave you. I think this is one of the links I gave you. If not, it might have been this link right here. If you click this, this is going to take us to this page, and then this will take us to a Jupyter notebook. And we're going to kind of work off of this Jupyter notebook. We're going to look at this cell and this cell. I'm going to be typing them into my own Jupyter notebook. And so we're going to be able to see what those things mean, what those commands do, how to get kind of our first animation going. And I am going to pause the video for a minute. Okay. So now we have Manim installed, and now we have Jupyter installed. Okay, so now the last thing that I'm going to do in this video is just open the Jupyter notebook. Open this. Of course, it's going to take a second for it to open. All right, and I'm going to actually surprised this is, okay. So here we are. I'm going to make a new file, a new notebook file. I'll do that in the next video, and then we're going to go through this stuff right here. I'm going to explain kind of what this is what's going on with this in the next video.